Respect starts with me. Respect your elders. They say, respect your teachers, respect your classmates. Yes, I've heard that. I've heard it all my life. But I ask you, what is respect? Is it just saying po and opo? Is it standing when a teacher enters the room? Is it smiling while secretly rolling your eyes when no one sees? No, respect is not a performance. It is not a show. It is not a checklist. True respect lives deep inside. It's how I speak when I'm angry. It's how I act when I don't agree. It's how I treat people when no one is watching. Do I still listen when I already have my answer? Do I still obey when it's inconvenient? Do I still choose honesty even if lying would be easier? That is where respect begins. Not with fear, not with control, but with value. When I respect someone, I recognize their work, I lift them up, I honor their time, their space, their voice. And when I respect myself, I stop trying to prove my power by putting others down. I stop pretending to be someone I'm not. I start walking with dignity. And no, respect is not weakness. It doesn't mean letting others step on me. It means I rise above hatred. I rise above the insults. I rise above the noise. Because respect is power with peace. And in a world full of shouting, the one who listens is the strongest of all. So today, I stand before you not as a perfect person, but someone who believes in something bigger than pride. I believe in respect, and I know it starts not with you, not with them, but with me.